Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to transfer money using the Nedbank app in 2025. With the latest updates, transferring funds has never been easier or more secure. Whether you're sending money to a friend, family, or paying bills, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the Nedbank app installed on your smartphone. It's free from the App Store, and the 2025 version includes enhanced features like AI-powered suggestions. Open the app and log in using your username, password, and a quick biometric scan, fingerprint or facial recognition, for extra security. Once you're logged in, tap on the Transfers icon at the bottom of the screen. It's prominently displayed for easy access. Now, select the type of transfer, whether it's to another Nedbank account or an external bank. The app's new Smart Search feature lets you quickly find recipients by name, phone number, or account details. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any slip-ups. You can also add a short note or memo to let the recipient know what the money is for. In 2025, the app even suggests categories like gift or rent to keep things organized. Before finalizing, review all the details on the summary page. The app will show you any potential fees and estimated transfer time, often instant for Nedbank users. Then, confirm the transaction with your secure PIN or another authentication method, like a one-time SMS code. And just like that, you're done. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the money will be on its way. A quick tip: always ensure you have sufficient funds and use a secure Wi-Fi connection to protect your info. If you run into any issues, the app's built-in chat support is there to help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you master the Nedbank app, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. See you in the next one.